Need to take out the strut braces first. Pop these guys off on both sides. Got some bolts right here. One. Do that. Two right here. Three. Holy crap, that's easy. Okay. Dang. Undo these hoses right here. And then this guy also, kind of hard to see, but hopefully you guys can see it from the corner. Gotta remove this guy too. Easy peasy. Next side. Dude, it is absolutely hot right now. Fire hot. This air box comes off so easy though. Dang. Pop this clamp off. Okay. There you go. Hiya. Nice. So we got these clamps and then the couplers. Pop that guy on. You're gonna need to get one of these vibration dampeners. Pop this guy on here. This is so the heat shield doesn't rip apart. Now we're gonna take the heat shield and drop this guy on this side. Okay, just line up this hole with a little bumper we just installed. Line up this guy with the inlet for the air duct. And then we got one bolt here, and then we'll put one bracket right here. Oh, lost that guy. Take this guy, put it through this side, and then the nut on the other side. Get that washer I just dropped, and then I'll take a bolt and washer and I'll line it up with a bracket down here. Just leave everything loose because you might need to move things around. So up top right here where the vibration damper is, you're just gonna drop the little washer and a nut. Once you're happy with everything, we're just gonna tighten everything up. All right, make sure that you're holding this side because it's not gonna tighten. Okay. Next, we're gonna get one of these pipes and make sure that we can route this under all these hoses. All right, take this guy, replace it back in here. We're gonna take the hose that we removed from the air box, drop it back in here with the clamps, and then we're just gonna put everything back together. I try to line these up the best I can to the factory location, by the way. Next, we're gonna install the air filter and the clamp. Don't forget the clamp. I almost did. So here's a finished install. Removing the stock airbox literally takes 5 minutes for both sides. I can't believe how easy it is to work on this car. I thought it would be hard because it's a V6, it's a modern car, and it won't be as easy as the older cars, but it's pretty simple, dude. They did this pretty well, and as you can see, there's a lot of space here. So the HPS filter kit installs within, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and it uses the stock airbox snorkel right here, so you get fresh air from the front end. So this actually keeps cool while you're driving. I already driven it, and I got some sound clips, so I can share that with you guys. But if you guys are considering adding 12 to 13 horse with a filter kit, this is it right here. I didn't go with a enclosed airbox setup because it's got more restriction, and also this sounds epic, dude. It's crazy how good this car sounds just with an intake. It sounds like I have a big turbo, but I don't. So let's go for a quick drive and I'll show you how she sounds.